In this video, I will guide you how to change image dimension in MS Paint in just a few seconds. So to view or set images size in inches in MS Paint, go to the File, click on the Properties and select the inches in the radio button. And here you can see that the dimension has been changed to inches. The width is 12.84 and the height is 7.23. So click OK to apply it. So you can also use the Ctrl plus E keyboard shortcut to quickly open the image properties window and view the dimension, which can be changed to inches, centimeters or pixels. So if you want to change it in the centimeters, then you need to click on the centimeters radio button. So now you can change the width has been changed to the centimeters. So this way you can easily change the image dimension in MS Paint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.